For 3 hours, let Uganda stop and clean.
Ogu nenganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Benana Abanya wabire nagamba hizoba ery'okuyonja mu ihanga lyona. Okuyonja oku nukwija kuba hizoba lya nyenkyakare okwetorora ihanga lyona kandi okurugiirira aha Abanya buri omwe ahikire kwejumbira omu kuyonja oku.
The initiative establishes the last Saturday of every month from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. as a national cleaning day, during which all Ugandans are expected to participate in community cleaning activities. Unnecessary movements of persons and vehicles is strictly prohibited during the 3 hours of cleaning activities. Exemptions will only be made for genuine emergencies and essential vehicles such as ambulances, fire and rescue services and security operations.
Okamusiriza enteekateeka ya gavumenti egi poliisi eriizooba yargayo yahabura abantu boona okwejumbira omu kuyonja oku.
The government of Uganda is therefore pleased to announce the commencement of the implementation of the National Cleaning Days Initiative, a national program approved by Cabinet under Minute number 246 CT 2025 during the Cabinet meeting held in Entebbe on 11th August 2025 under the chair of His Excellency the President.
Okurugiirira aha rusoke kituma omugambirizi wa poliisi omuri Uganda tariho byiruka ebirayikirizibwe aha nguuto omushaaha z'okuyonja.
During this period, and particularly tomorrow, all vehicles, vessels, motorcycles, and bicycles shall not be allowed on the roads and water bodies except in emergency situations. Traffic movements will be restricted countrywide. Members of the public are encouraged to remain in their areas, take part in the cleaning exercise, and resume normal activities at 10 a.m.
Rusoke nagira ngo hariho ebyiruka ebirayikirizibwe okutambura omu bwire obwo kwonka eby'okweerinda nibiija kubaha buzooramisho aha nshonga egi.
The following shall be exempted. 1. Emergency services, including medical emergencies. Persons on scheduled medical treatment are advised to carry the relevant medical documentation, while medical personnel should also carry their identification documents. 2. Security vehicles and personnel on duty. 3. Cross-border vehicular traffic along major transport arteries. Members of the public are advised to cooperate with security personnel and avoid any altercations. In case of any concerns, please seek guidance from the nearest police officer or supervisor.
Ihuriro y'Abanya-Uganda boona okuteeka ebi barikukora aha rubaju bakejumbira omu kuyonja ekahinguzibwa kabineti kandi eki nikikubaho buri rwa mukaaga rw'aha muheero omu kwezi. Bashabwa Ian Akankwasa aha bwa Tayari West.